Hello and welcome. Today it's about facades, but not just any kind, but the rear-ventilated facade, or RVF for short, and how to install it correctly, with our RD24-40 screw, of course. That's why I've invited a specialist today, our RVF specialist, Thomas Benz.
Hi, Armin.
Hi, Thomas. Glad you're here. People, Thomas.
I brought something along too.
You look like you're about to build a skyscraper.
Yes, today is about precision on the facade. Rear-ventilated facade, and that starts with the right screw.
Okay, we're excited.
The rear-ventilated facade separates weather and provides thermal protection. This design ensures even rear ventilation, which means that even if a little moisture gets in, the facade quickly ventilates and dries out again. And of course, the whole process starts with the right fasteners.
And that's where our heroine, the RDS, comes in. But Thomas, what actually makes the RDS so special?
The RDS is unique because it arrives at the construction site pre-assembled with an anchor that has a collar designed to prevent it from being screwed in or set too deeply. We also have a mark on the screw. I can use this mark to check the setting depth and, as I drive it in, see if it's the right length as long as the entire screw is within the marked area. I also have a top thread that is matched to the bottom thread, and both run simultaneously into the facade, ensuring that there is no sliding, no pulling, and no pushing. The substructure stays exactly where it needs to be.
So the screw is basically a multifunctional fastener.
Exactly, Armin. And that saves time, material, and the deep drive ensures precise screw connection.
Cool.
With the RDS, the facade is completely insulated in advance. The screw penetrates the insulation and anchors the substructure in the masonry, precisely and without thermal bridges. Drill the hole, hammer in the screw, and drive it in. Done.
Man, Thomas, you've really convinced me. A screw that solves several challenges at once. That's real talk.
Yes, Armin. And once you've worked with this screw, the RDS, you won't want to use anything else. Simple, efficient, and safe. Hey, Armin, you shouldn't misuse it for the bottle.
But she can do so much.
Even that works.
Tell me, Thomas, why have you been wearing the helmet the whole time during the video shoot?
Yeah, okay, it has nothing to do with safety. It's more because I went to the barber and it was just awful.